compound is getting solubilized at elevated temperature. ठीक है, होल वर्क इज कैरिंग आउट बाय अपने पांडे जी. देखो कैसे बैठे हैं पांडे जी, एकदम सुकून से. और ये है अपने वासिफ सर, द पर्सन बिहाइंड द एक्सपेरिमेंटल पार्ट. योर पार्ट इज कैरिंग आउट बाय वासिफ. आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग, डिक्टेटिंग हाउ द प्रोसेस इज गोइंग टू बी कैरिड आउट. ठीक है. सी द कंपाउंड इज गेटिंग डिजॉल्व इन दिस बीकर. विल वेट फॉर सम टाइम. Let it get dissolved completely. So you remember one point here, if some amount of particles were not getting dissolved, it means that that is not a compound. Those are the impurities which were not getting dissolved in the compound. The process behind the purification is that we are removing the impurity which are present in the compound. That can be done by elevated temperature. The elevated temperature leads to dissolution of compound, not the dissolution of impurities. ठीक है, see here. दिख रहा है ना कंपाउंड कैसे डिजॉल्व हो रहा है. Okay, we'll wait for some time. Let the compound will get completely solubilized. Then our second step is the hot filtration. You know, first step is choosing of solvent. That we have done. We have chosen 3 solvents. Among that we have chosen distilled water because the distilled water passes the criteria how the compound will get dissolved. Okay. Next step is heating. Then third step is hot filtration. When we are doing hot filtration, let the compound will get dissolved completely. This is one solvent purification process. Another one methodology is 2 solvent purification that we are going to carry out while we are doing the experimental part, while we are synthesizing the product. If that product is not going to dissolve in water, that time I will tell you how the 2 solvent purification process can be done. Okay, okay. Let it dissolve completely. So another one thing what you have to remember here, everything should be in hot condition. Purification, when you are carrying out, the compound will get dissolved. So it is getting dissolved. So you have to make your funnel hot. You have to keep the assembly, whole assembly in hot condition when we are filtering our compound containing mixture. Okay, I will make this funnel hard. I am going to show you the simple step. इसको थोड़ा क्लीन कर लेना पंडित जी. Pandey ji is on work. And Vasif sir getting ready to do the calculation part. His part is how to do the calculation. That can be done by Vasif, and remaining part can be done by our Pandey ji. It got dissolved completely. As usual, Vasif sir is instructing. क्यों आए भाई तुम? लैब से बाहर जाओ, चलो. So I am going to show you the trick how this could be. फिल्टर पेपर को वो करो, फोल्ड करो. वासिफ फिल्टर पेपर को फोल्ड करो. फिल्टर. So I am going to keep my funnel like this to get warm, not hot. It should be warm. Why I am doing this activity means I don't want that my compound will get stuck into the funnel. If it is in hot condition, easily the filtrate can go through with the help of this filter paper. Okay. So now Vasif sir is getting ready whole assembly, making ready whole assembly. Now see, our compound got dissolved completely. Now we are going to filter this one in a hot condition. Our step of recrystallization process is choosing of solvent. That we have done according to the criteria. Then heating. After that the hot filtration. ठीक है, hot filtration we have made a whole assembly ready. Everything is in hot condition. सब कुछ hot है, nothing is, कुछ भी ठंडा नहीं है यहाँ पे, सब कुछ गर्म है, warm है. That we have done. Now we are going to filter out our compound. See, some amount of compound is left. It not got dissolved completely because it is an impurity, is not an compound. The compound will get dissolved. Impurity where as it is. Impurities were not going to be dissolved. How much you are going to heat, that much they will get boiled with the solvent. They are not going to dissolve because they are impurities. Our aim is to separate the product. निकाल दो. We are filtering everything in a hot condition. As the temperature will get reduced, the amount of particle which were present in the component can reappear. This is nothing but the recrystallization. Next step is hot filtration. उसके बाद क्या है अपना step? You know that is cooling. After cooling, cold filtration. Cold filtration कब करते हैं? When our compound will get generated in the beaker. See, the compound is getting appear slowly because the temperature of this compound is getting reduced. Okay, this can be done by Mr. Wasif. Wasif आओ भाई वीडियो के ऊपर, ऐसे मत जाओ, बताना पता चले ना बच्चों को क्या कर रहे हो तुम. ठीक है. See, I am going to show you how the crystals are getting appear in the beaker. हाँ, see the shining crystal. हाँ, अच्छा कर बताओ. The shining crystals were getting appear in the beaker. See, they are shining like anything. It means our compound got purified. See the shining crystal, how they are shining like diamond. है ना वासिफ?
Yes, ma'am.
हीरे की तरह चमक रहे. देखो कितना अच्छे से बना है. द होल क्रेडिट गोज टू मिस्टर वासिफ एंड पांडे जी. किधर गए पांडे जी? ओ पांडे जी, भाग गए पांडे जी. पांडे जी आओ वीडियो में.
पांडे जी चले गए.
You can do another thing. You can keep this assembly in ice bath. With the help of ice bath, the temperature is automatically get reduced. We doesn't require that much of time to cool this one. As it will get cooled, that much amount of compound we are going to. Temperature जैसे reduce होगा उतना सारा compound अपने पास आएगा. See the shining crystals. So this is called the process of purification. See, this is the purified product. If any kind of impurity you are going to see after development of this particle, what you have to do? You have to, you know that what you have to do. You have to add pinch of charcoal in this. Again you have to boil this one, and same methodology you have to apply up to cooling. ठीक है? So this is the method. Another one method, seeding and scratching. Seeding can be done. The leftover particle means जो कंपाउंड है यहाँ पे, ये कंपाउंड को अगर इसके अंदर आफ्टर बॉइलिंग ऑल्सो इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग, मीन्स व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to take one seed crystal and drop that seed crystal in this compound. Compound is already there, but it is not getting developed. If it is like so, then you add the seed crystal. The seed crystal will help you to regenerate the component which were present in the sample. So this is one criteria. After adding seed crystal also you are not getting anything, then the scratch the bottom of container in this manner, like this or like this. The glass particle which we are getting removed, the small glass particle which will help, which were acting as the nucleus to regenerate the amount of component which is present in the sample. This process is called as seeding, and that one seeding and scratching. Seeding means you are going to put the seed crystal into the component where the compound is not getting appear. ठीक है, seeding होगा. Scratching means you have to scratch the bottom of the container or wall of the container to regenerate the amount of compound which is present in this seed. So we have got our purified particles, clean shining crystals of our purified product. ठीक है, ओके, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय बाय बोलो आसिफ, अल्लाह हाफिज़. So this is about the purification process. This is one solvent recrystallization. Two solvent recrystallization we are going to carry out when we are doing our synthetic process. Allah Hafiz.